Hey guys, today we are going to learn about tally charts. But before we do that, let's do a little review on graphs. Let's quickly recap how we look at data and how we make graphs. So remember, first we need to pose the question. So what information are we trying to find out? Then we will collect data, or we will ask people what their favorite is or something that they like or dislike, and see how many of each kind. Then after that, we want to make our graph, and so today we're making bar graphs, so I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph. Then after that, you are going to analyze the data, which means we're going to look at it, we're going to ask some questions, and figure out some information based on the data we've collected. Those questions could be like the favorite or least favorite, or how many more than or less than. Okay, now that we did our review, let's move back into tally mark charts. So all a tally mark chart is a chart that's made with tally marks where we keep our data. So before we make our chart, we need to talk about making tally marks. So I'm going to write this little chant and let's practice it. This will help us make our tally marks. So the first part is 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door. And I almost wrote 5 again, but it's actually 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws a line. Let's do it really quick. One more time before we draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9, number 10 draws a line. You can see I'm drawing my tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9, number 10 draws a line. So now let's move into our tally mark chart. So the first thing we need to do is write our title. And remember, that's our question that we're going to pose. So we're going to say favorite outside activities. I just wrote outside activities. And then we'll make a rectangle, and then we'll make a line in the middle of our rectangle, two lines in the middle to separate our 3 activities. The first one is going to be play structure, like the monkey bars or the slides. Then we're going to have basketball, and lastly we will have soccer. So you want to choose your favorite outdoor activity. Okay, now who likes play structure? Do you? Okay, so let's make our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 people. Who likes basketball? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Soccer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 people like soccer. So we said 7 for play structure, 4 for basketball, and then we can count by 5s. So 5, 10, 11, 12. So 12 for soccer. Now let's ask our questions. So what was the favorite? Who had the most votes? Soccer did. So let's write soccer. There's my attempt at drawing a soccer ball. And then what was the least favorite? Which one had the least amount of votes? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? It is basketball. Poor basketball. Okay, now here's a tricky question. How many people liked basketball and soccer? So think, is that addition or subtraction? If I say basketball and soccer, if you said addition, then you are right. So what I'm going to do is add 12 plus 4, or 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 equals 16. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on tally mark charts. We will be going back to real object graphs tomorrow. Bye!